welcome. Take a moment to find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Gently close your eyes and allow your hands to rest softly by your side. Let's begin this journey inward together. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm, the gentle rise and fall. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment and exhale slowly through your mouth. Again, breathe in deeply, filling your lungs completely. Hold it and breathe out, releasing any tension. With each breath, feel your body becoming heavier, more relaxed, more grounded. Now gently bring your attention to the top of your head. Notice any tension there and let it soften. Feel this wave of relaxation slowly move down to your forehead, your eyebrows, your eyes, unclenching your jaw, relaxing your tongue. Feel this calm energy flow down your neck and shoulders, releasing any tightness, letting your shoulders drop naturally. Let it travel down your arms, through your elbows, wrists, and all the way to your fingertips. Now, bring your awareness to your chest and heart. Notice your heartbeat, steady, gentle. As you breathe out, imagine releasing anything that no longer serves you. Let this relaxation move down your back, your belly, softening your lower back, and down into your hips. Feel your thighs grow heavy. Relax your knees, your calves, and finally, let the calm flow all the way down to your feet, to the tips of your toes. Your whole body is now relaxed, safe, and still. Now, imagine you're standing at the edge of a peaceful lake at sunrise. The air is cool and fresh. Birds sing softly in the distance. The water is completely still, like a mirror. As you watch, the first rays of sunlight gently touch the surface. The golden light warms your skin, filling you with peace and calm. In this quiet moment, know that you are exactly where you need to be. You are safe. You are whole. Take a few moments to repeat quietly in your mind, I am calm. I am grounded. I am at peace with myself and the world around me. Now, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Notice the air flowing in and out. When you're ready, slowly wiggle your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders And when it feels right, softly open your eyes. Carry this sense of calm with you into the rest of your day. Thank you for sharing this time with me. Namaste.